So, good evening, good evening, good evening. We are back again. We are linked to another two players that we're not going to buy. Yay! Big up to everybody watching, man. Make sure you are smashing the like button. Make sure you go and check out the video I dropped earlier today as well, speaking about Man United hijacking Declan Rice. Okay, mate. We shall see on that one, but go and check it out. And go and check out Lee Reacts as well, people. Make sure you are subbing to that channel. That would be absolutely fantastic. That channel's flying as well. Big up to everybody who has been watching and subbing and stuff like that. Make sure you stick a like on the video. Donate down below. We move. But we are linked to one of the most injury-prone forwards in world football, Federico Chiesa. Yes, the 25-year-old Italian that is injured more than he's fit. Let's go and buy him. What a great idea. Let's have a little look at his injury record. I won't go through it all because there's page after page. But if we could just go for the last 2 years, hamstring kept him out for 10 days. An unknown injury kept him out for 9. Muscle fatigue 5. Then muscle fatigue 2. 29 days for a bicep femoris muscle injury. I have no idea what that is, by the way. Then a cruciate ligament. That bicep injury kept him out for 29 days. The cruciate done him for 269. Then fitness 26 days. Knee problem 5 days. Muscle fatigue kept him out for 14 days. Then again for 3. Then 7 days. Knee problem 5 days. Tendon irritation 15 days. No, thank you. Keep him. Not for me. Keep him. There's no way in a million years do I want that at my football club. No thanks. No thanks. If we're going to go down that route, we might as well just keep Pepe. Just keep Pepe, mate. Yeah, it's unbelievable. His stats this season for all you statisticians and mathematicians out there that think football's played in a calculator. 33 games, 4 goals. Wow. 2 of them were in the league in 21 appearances. 6 assists. No, thank you. Not for me. Not for me at all. I don't want that guy anywhere near Arsenal. Yeah, and I don't think he is anywhere near Arsenal. I think that he'll probably be staying at Juve because nobody's going to buy him. Let's just be real with it. Apologies if you can hear that in the background. They decided to come and cut the grass as soon as I press record. Good one. Anyway, let's continue. Let me know your thoughts on Chiesa. Obviously, FIFA fans will love him because he's quick and agile and he's usable on FIFA. So everyone that's probably about 14 will love him. Yeah. Oh, sign him. But no. Let's move on to another current hipster's choice, Samuel Chukwueze. Now, cast your mind back a couple of seasons ago, and me, oh no, Lee, we can't sign him. What do you want him for? He's crap. When I suggested sign this guy, but no. Not allowed to sign him, mate. Not allowed to sign him. Yeah, it'll stunt the growth of Starboy. Oh dear. But now, after he's got 13 goals, 11 assists this season, all of a sudden, all these hipsters that don't even watch La Liga, let alone Villarreal, are now all over him. Pants down, whale out, tissue, the lot. They're ready and waiting. They are literally buzzing in the hope that we sign Chukwueze. And let me just tell you right now, we're not. And you know how I know we're not signing a winger? Because we signed Reece Nelson up to a new deal. Yeah, that's how. Because, listen, it's all well and good these transfer windows being open. Excuse me. Being open, or even when they're not open, we're linked to players. Yeah, but it's literally embarrassing the amount of players we get linked to. It is embarrassing. Chukwueze, Chiesa. It's different players every day. Yeah, it's not like it's the same player constantly every day. Yeah, some of them will be. Caicedo, Rice, etc. But it's literally a different player every single day. And in this case, 2. I go and see if I just type Arsenal transfer news. Transfer news. Arsenal transfer news and rumours. Cancelo. Kai Havertz. Close to agreeing a deal with Rice. Leipzig are interested in Balogun. Pepe and Cedric exit. Jorginho is staying at Arsenal. It's like just unbelievable every day. Arsenal seeking buyers for Pepe. Okay, good one. Balogun holds talks over Arsenal future. Okay. It's every single day. Every single day. Arsenal in a good position to sign Gundogan, says Mertesacker. Like, how many more players? If we signed every single player that we're linked to, yeah, we'd win everything. Literally, we could have 5 squads. It's unbelievable. The window's open today, and we have been linked to about 50 players already. Since the last couple of weeks, since the season ended, we've been linked to about 50 players, I reckon. I'm actually going to write it down. I'm going to go to the beach in a minute, and I'm going to study it. I'm going to write it all down, and I'm going to count how many players we've been linked to by the end of the transfer window, because it's just ridiculous. Every single day is a different player. We're not signing Gundogan. We're not signing Cancelo. We're not signing Chiesa. We're not signing Chukwueze. Why do they link us? Why do these stories surface every day? Do you know why? Because these people just want to get their clicks, and this is silly season for them. They can make up any story and people will believe it. Yeah, that's why I'm here to rip their stories apart. Yeah, the fact is, we ain't looking at Chukwueze. No chance. Yeah, no chance. He's 24 years old. Yeah, is he getting in over Bukayo Saka? No. So why would we sign him? Yeah, why would we sign a player in that position? Yeah, when Starboy plays pretty much every single minute of every single game, regardless of whether he's good or not. He's never going to get dropped. So why would this guy leave a team that are again in Europe? I think they finished 5th. Have a look at the table. I think they finished 5th. Let's have a look. Yeah, they did finish 5th. So they're back in the Europa League again. Why would he leave a team where he's played 50 games this season, scored 13 goals? Why would he leave that to come to Arsenal to sit on the bench for Bukayo Saka playing week in, week out? It makes no sense. And he can play on the left. But let's be real with it. Most of his work's done on the right. He's played 41 times off the right wing, once off the left. Like, it kind of makes no sense. And again, this is either agent putting it out there to get him a better deal at Villarreal, or agent putting it out there to try and get him a deal somewhere else, because he does only have 1 year left on his current deal. So I don't really see this happening at all. Yeah, and I'm going to be saying this quite a lot throughout the summer, because most of these stories are complete and utter trash. Yeah, they're absolute trash. Yeah, and I'm just here to rip them apart, basically, and give you my thoughts on it. Listen, he's a good player. He's a decent, tidy little player. And like I said, 2 years ago, I said, go and sign him. Now it's fashionable. But we're not signing him. We're not going to get him. And he won't be coming to Arsenal. He may come to the Premier League. I could see him at Aston Villa. Let's be real. The connection's there with Unai Emery. Yeah, they could go and get him, couldn't they? That is kind of an Aston Villa-esque player. Yeah, I don't think... If we didn't have Bukayo Saka undroppable, then we should be signing him, because he's a tidy player. But we ain't signing him. We've got Reece, we've got Martinelli, we've got Saka, we've got Jesus. Like, we ain't signing another winger. Yeah, like, after signing Reece Nelson up, I don't see us bringing in any forwards at all. Yeah, we'll bring in midfielders and a couple of defenders. That'll be it. Yeah, and I'll be shocked if we go and sign a winger. I'll be shocked if we sign a striker, because this football club don't do what's required. But it is what it is. Let me know your thoughts on all of that. Make sure you check out all the other videos. Excuse me. Make sure you check out Lee Reacts. Loads of Man United fans in tears because Sheikh Jassim's going to buy the club. Social justice warriors, human rights activists, moral justice warriors that are all sitting tweeting off their iPhones. But it is what it is. Go and check that video out, people. Have a blessed day. I'm going to go and get some food. I'm going to go and fry some fish that Arsenal didn't do, and go and sit on the beach for the rest of the day. So have a blessed day. Enjoy whatever it is you're doing. And yeah, man, I'm out of here, people. Have a quality day, and I'll be back again tomorrow. Oh, actually, that's what I was going to say. If I get back from the beach early enough, I may do another video. So keep your eyes peeled, but I'm not guaranteeing that. Anyway, smash the like button, stick your donations down below, share the content, subscribe. Adios. Goodbye.